Perfect.
Your time. Wait.
Look, so when the money light up, you know, see camera flash.
Good morning. It's like 5 a.m. I'm at the Pegasus right now. It's Carnival day and I'm about to do some Carnival makeup on some persons that I've been doing for the past couple of years now. I did a quick beat, but I am kind of running late because I like after 5 I'm supposed to stop at 5. No. So my brother brought me. I got this of course I got show you know the work and thing. But I just wanted to check in and tell you guys where I'm at, what I'm doing. So yeah, I think you guys will enjoy this vlog. It's gonna be a fun one, probably just be a one-day vlog just of Carnival day, and you know, show you guys some footage of around Kingston and stuff, because this is like a big deal like every year. So yeah, it's like after 5 as I say. So I'm gonna go upstairs now and start. I have like I think seven persons. Yes.
Makeup by Toya.
Close your eyes. Alright. Into the music. Feel like it all cute. Feel like it all cute. Abby, let me see you. Abby's reapplying lipstick, guys. Look at this costume. Insane. Insane.
Yes, insane. You ain't mean that in a nice way.
Alright guys, so I am done and mass has started. Like right down there you can see like people already like marching and shit. And over there. But this is the view. Over there you can see people right there. And some people are like getting ready like randomly. This is a really nice view. This is probably like my third or fourth year doing Suzette. And I'm telling you, like, she's like the sweetest person. I usually like every year the number goes up. So this year it was like 7 of them, I think. But I have like all of this shit to pack up right now. It's a mess in here. I have to pack this up, but my brother also has to come to help me carry down like the tripod and stuff like that. And I got makeup on my shirt and I'm so mad. I hope it comes out because sometimes it doesn't come out. But this is one of my favorite work shirts, the black ones. I hardly ever wear the black ones. I wear the gray ones a lot. But it's getting mad loud. I don't know. I don't know why I never like feel like me never really feel interested like to do like carnival, like actually go. People ask me all the time and I'm like, nah. But yo guys, like these pigments from Cherrybles Cosmetics, yo, these pigments be a badness, like be a badness. I used mostly these today, and the chunky glitters from excuse my nails guys, they're atrocious because I just took them off like yesterday, and I think I'm going to give my nails a break. I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, yo, them yeah, but I stocked up on them and the gems and stuff for today. A lot of the stuff I actually had from last year too. But it's been a good day. It's been a good day. I feel so cute with my hair like this. Oh my god, guys, when I drop this panel now, I'm not gonna be mad excited. The Dreadhead edition of Natural Glam LOCS. Texture, boo. Texture, that's what we're defending. You see that realness? Yes. I really want to set you guys up somewhere so you can like pack up with me. I don't know if this is true though. I think this works, right? Is it recording? Okay, it is recording. Alright. I'm still waiting for my brother, but I don't know. I wonder if they even, oh shit, if they're letting me in at all. What a cover for this? Oh shit, now I'm like, guys, I don't even know if this will work. The angle, the steering is too tight. I'm trying to find somewhere to put this without it falling, and this is the best I can do. Ouch, my back is killing me. Yeah, so we stopped to get some food. Barry G, oh my god, we stopped to get some food and we get some Burger King. I got a double apple with cheese. Not a mukbang, but you know, a little zone. Yo, I hate when this happen, guys. Like my bracelet forever itch from my ear. Me eat it. Oh yeah. I'm definitely going to put Burger King mukbang in the title of this video. But guys, a stupid pimple. Today has me reconsidering a lot of things, like business-wise, business decisions. In terms of, I've never really been one that was like excited for Kingston. Cause I've lived that side before and all of that, but I mean like on a business level. Today has me thinking about like, cause the person's always ask me like, you want to work out a ton? And I always say no. But today I'm actually considering it. Kingston just be a different vibe. Like a different vibe. And then man, I have to wear them shirts so tight. And them belly big. Annoying. So but I'm telling you guys, everywhere I go for morning, everybody's like, oh, I love it here. Like, what are those? I'm like, they don't exist. They don't exist until I make them. People hate getting onions with them burger, yo. But honestly, it just wouldn't taste good without it. At all. Baby peppers. My fries fell out in the bag, so I'm feeling for them, but I can't wait to post this vlog. I can't wait to actually be up to date with my posts, guys. Like, I really want that so bad, but because I'm always so busy, yo, half of this is all I need to realize.
You can't give me mix up.
No, it's a good save for me later.
Or you need a...
Oh, but I feel sick.
No,
What many tell us to get with it? Orange
Orange.
juice, right? Okay. It could have been a nugget though. Okay.
Change it.
Alright then. Oh! What a stress.
The bucket drinks on.
I feel so disgusting. That's funny though. Should I chop that out? I probably won't. Too much of this are cost storage. I don't know about a beer, you know what outfit happen when them something they go on. Alright, let's go. Road it name. Oh god. I need some rest. See? Entourage are coming on. I can't bother with them, Jama. Which station are going with nothing, you know? Jordan. Alright. Guys. People say we look alike. We look alike, Raj? You know we all kind of look alike.
No.
For all who don't know, this is my brother. My younger brother.
I want to be else too.
True. But they might wonder like if they're younger or older than me.
Oh.
CFU, the only school. Gospel in the place. Lord God, no, I don't want to ask you to buy nothing, you know, for the slippers or for the slippers.
Okay, man.
For the
I will
slippers.
see myself.
So, I just going to pay?
Sunday, man.
That's true. Alright, guys, later. Hey, guys, I just got home. I had to take out the earrings because I don't know if it's only me. I doubt it's only me, but like when I wear cosmetic jewelry, I get like a allergic reaction. So, my skin here started to like, I don't know what's happening with it. So because of that, I can't wear like cosmetic gold a lot. I mean, around my neck it's fine, but on my ears, if it's like a necklace, I get irritated there too. So oil start coming right now. Long day, but I don't find I make that noise then. So annoying. Ugh. But I reached home now while I was sleeping. She just wake up. And now she there eat her banana. What? Uh-oh. It's a windy day. But yeah, guys, I am going to edit now and see if I can post a vlog for you guys today, tonight or so. Green happy mode. You're still sleepy, you know, see that? Guys, should we eat down to the banana skin, you know? Pull down the stuff, pull it down somewhere. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one day vlog. Like, literally, it's a one day vlog. You don't want any more? Can I eat it? I'm going to eat it. Oh, you want to? Yeah. You just never want to pull it down, lazy girl. Yummy. So literally, guys, this was a one day vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to share the other half of my burger now with her because I didn't eat it. So we're going to eat the other half now. And just edit and chill for the rest of the day. So I really hope you guys like this vlog. I hope you guys follow my work page, NaturalGlam_by_Toya on Instagram. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you did attend Carnival, tell me. And you can tell me like what, I think they call it band, like what band you marched with. If you did march with a band. Yeah, let's talk about Carnival down in the comments, alright? And follow the Instagram and my Snapchat as well as my Facebook page. Yeah, I do plan to post more on those, but I swear, guys, like time is like the one thing I don't have a lot of these days. So yeah, that's the reason why. I will eventually get around to posting the photos, but I hope you guys like this vlog. I know you guys always like seeing when I like work and stuff. But as I say, editing time now, chilling because I'm kind of tired. I woke up early. I didn't even get much sleep last night. You finish? You still have a little piece, but I'll eat it. Okay. Thirsty? No more. Later. Man, I love so much banana, man. No more. You want burger? Yeah? Okay. So me and Marla gonna mash up the other half of the burger. Drink the juice. We need to figure out why that pimple I eat. Oh my god, it looks like two of them. Oh, I'm gonna get them something, you know. But I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.